Have you ever wondered how the endless streams of data generated every minute shape our lives? From the books we read to the relationships we nurture online, digitization and datafication are quietly orchestrating a revolution in how we interact with the world. Imagine a world where every book, every interaction, and every transaction leaves a digital trace. This is not the backdrop for a sci-fi novel, it's our everyday reality. The journey from digitization to datafication has transformed simple data points into profound insights about human behavior and societal trends. Scene script, take for instance, Amazon and eBay. These platforms didn't just digitize shopping, they datafied consumer behavior. Amazon, founded not by a retail mogul but by a hedge fund quant, Jeff Bezos, revolutionized how we buy. Every item you browse, every purchase you make, feeds into a massive data pool. This data is not merely collected, it is analyzed and used to predict what you might buy next. Similarly, eBay, created by a software developer, Pierre Omidyar, transformed a simple auction system into a complex dataset of buyer and seller interactions. Each bid and each transaction are data points that contribute to understanding market dynamics and consumer preferences on a global scale. But it's not just about shopping. Social platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn datafy our relationships, sentiments, and professional experiences respectively. Each like, tweet, or job update becomes a part of a larger data puzzle that these platforms solve to serve us better content, connect us with the right people, and open up new professional opportunities. Dr. Hwa A Lim, in his keynote lecture, emphasized the depth and breadth of this transformation. He noted that while pioneers like Google and Amazon are often heralded as the vanguards of big data, governments have been collecting and analyzing data on a massive scale long before these tech giants stepped onto the scene. This governmental data serves not only administrative functions, but also becomes a public asset, driving both civic and commercial innovations. The true power of datafication lies in its secondary uses. As Dr. Lim pointed out, the data trails we leave are not just routes to our desired information, they are insights into our deepest thoughts and questions, sometimes reflecting our concerns more honestly than we might share with another human. Moreover, the concept of a doppelganger search illustrates an even more personalized use of data. By identifying users with similar behaviors and preferences, platforms can tailor suggestions and experiences with astonishing accuracy. Yet the potential of such personalized data use is still largely untapped in many sectors. In wrapping up, the shift from mere data collection to insightful datafication is not just about understanding who we are today. It provides a lens into the future, transforming raw data into a predictive tool that anticipates our needs, desires, and behaviors. As we continue to navigate this data-driven landscape, the line between data and knowledge blurs, reshaping our world in ways we are only beginning to understand.